Box shadow genuinely adds a real drop shadow beneath an element, creating actual visual depth and elevation. In this video you'll use box shadow several real ways. These real 4 values genuinely are horizontal offset, vertical offset, blur radius, and actual color, a soft, subtle shadow. Increasing the real offset, blur, and opacity genuinely creates a more dramatic, actual, lifted further appearance. Inset genuinely flips the shadow to render inside the element instead, a real, common technique for actual pressed recessed effects. Box shadow genuinely takes offset X, offset Y, blur, and color. Larger real offset blur values genuinely create more dramatic depth. Inset genuinely renders the shadow inside instead of outside. Add a real subtle box shadow to a card and a dramatic one on hover. Ready to build real linear gradient backgrounds?